Rebecca!
I've got...
Not a lot of teaching.
6 days left. I'm over it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun, though.
Yeah,
It's going to be fun not teaching. Now then, in a few days' time, you'll be losing some weight.
Thank God. Yeah.
And you'll be able to see your knees again once more. That'd be good, wouldn't it?
That'd be fun.
And it's going to be amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, I hope so.
Are you going to still do some filming?
Well, yeah, we'll see.
Baby does go down for a few hours at a time. Plenty of opportunity.
Do you think?
Yeah.
No, you can do one, because I'm going to be sleeping.
Yeah, that's true. So you're not going to be filming for a while. It's just going to be me. Oh, God.
That's all right.
Although, I've been thinking I want to have some fun.
Yeah.
Because you're not here. I can't have fun now because you're away.
Okay.
So I'm going to have some fun with Facebook.
Okay.
Do you remember? I can't remember what post it was. We put something on Facebook and people got really, really heated and really upset about something that really, it wasn't really, kind of like, you kind of say first world problems would be the sort of way you describe it best. I can't remember what it was. So I'm just wondering.
No, I think there's been a few.
So I'm going to have to do all the, are you able, if I do the filming, all the stuff, can you do the Facebook posts? Can you find the time?
Yeah, I'm sure I can.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the thing we're going to do.
Okay.
Let's see how agitated we can make the boomers.
The public, yeah.
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 And we're going to call this. What are we going to call it? Who is it? It's Karen, isn't it?
What's the male version again?
Kevin.
Karen and Kevin?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Karen and Kevin's keyboard questions. That's what we're going to call it. It's Karen and Kevin's keyboard questions. Okay. And we're going to start off quite mildly.
Okay.
Rule number 1, we never have an opinion.
Okay.
You don't say...
We learnt that from the electric car saga.
Yes. We haven't quite got over that yet, have we?
No.
So I think we're still not sure. Yes, we don't have an opinion. We're just stating a question.
Okay.
Should. Okay. That sort of thing.
Okay.
Is it right?
Okay. Yeah.
Can it be justified?
Okay.
In this day and age,
we need to brainstorm.
Are the rules still applicable? Blah, 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 blah. So, we need some ideas. What about parking?
Parking, yeah.
People like bad parking, don't they?
Have you seen the local Facebook group?
Yes.
Parking?
I know.
People take time out of their day.
Yeah, to photograph people bad parking badly.
Yeah.
Oh, baffling. Brilliant. Okay, we'll do something like that.
We'll do parking.
Okay, so we're going to do a parking video.
Okay.
Yep. Parking on the pavement. Try not to go on the curb. You just go on the curb. Has Amelie got a point?
Police car's not a good example.
Yeah.
Oh, I really annoyed people.
That's good.
When
tell me something new.
When I made Hannah park at a 90-degree angle. So did you. Do you remember? Both times, both of us have put out a video parking from a 90-degree angle rather than a 45-degree.
Yes.
It's really annoyed people.
What, 90 degree? What's wrong with that?
It's not realistic, apparently.
What happens if you want to park on the far right bay? How you get in to turn out?
Yeah.
It's completely realistic. You have to learn both ways.
Well, that was my argument. But, no. People are sick of it.
People don't like 90 degrees?
No, not 90-degree parking. It's not realistic. Okay. Oh, no.
I've had a thought.
Okay.
I'm just thinking about... what you just said.
Yeah.
I'm just thinking... High Fizz Part 2.
Okay.
You know what I'm thinking about?
I think so.
Special day of the year.
Yeah. Yeah.
Putting something out there.
Oh, gosh. Okay.
Okay, now, Emily, I'm going to demonstrate this new manoeuvre that's come in after the 31st of March, and I think it could be on a driving test, couldn't it? Signal.
I've also been thinking a lot about your pumpkin video.
Yes.
And I don't know if you should do it.
He's
Armbrabs.
right.
He's got an armbrab.
Okay. What, you got a new version of Pumpkin for us? What's a new follow-up they've done? Sweet potato. I've already decided that's a really bad idea.
Okay. Okay, good.
No, what do you say? It can only go one way. It's not going to be well received, is it?
Okay, that's good. I'm glad you're on the same page with that one.
Because people are very, very sensitive.
You have to be careful.
It's not just people get offended. It's people get offended on behalf of people you got to watch out for.
Yeah.
I can't believe the amount of swearing. A child could have been watching. That sort of thing.
Oh, yeah.
Not me. I wasn't offended. I'm upset on behalf of a group.
Another audience.
Another
yeah.
audience on behalf. And thanks for that. Thanks for standing. Everyone parks on the pavement.
I mean,
Why are you not allowed to do it on the driving test?
I know. This is
It's
the funny thing, isn't
It's
it?
not even against the law.
It's not, no.
It's not against the law.
My student done it the other day and I've struggled to
Explain why.
yeah.
I have that problem.
So you just can't. It's just not, it's just against the rules.
My argument on Rebels is one word, why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Harmony Code does say something about you shouldn't.
But there are a lot of roads where if you don't, you're also going to cause an obstruction. So...
Exactly. Electric cars
Oh, God.
weigh twice as much as a normal car.
Okay.
Should electric cars be paying twice the amount of road tax to justify all the bloody potholes they're putting?
No. We've got to step away from the electric cars.
Okay.
You've just reminded me, I took a screenshot of something that I wanted to show you. I want you to read it. It's about an electric car. It's not on our page. It was on someone else's page.
Uh-oh.
But...
Okay.
Okay, read that.
Can I read it out?
Yeah, you can. So this is a review on whatever site it was.
Oh.
Okay, they got...
Can I read out the question?
This car garage got a 1-star review from Felix, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, you can read it out. Yeah.
Okay. Had my Tesla towed to this dinosaur shop. Well, that's my own words. Voice effect. While visiting town, and they literally refused to even look at it. It's 2026. Electric cars are the future. If your mechanics are too scared of a battery to do their jobs, get with the times or just close your doors. Coffee sucked too. Absolutely wasted my... Okay. Okay, now he's talking.
Okay.
Now he's got a problem.
This is the response.
Okay.
It made me think of you.
Response. Hi there. For future reference, a simple phone call before having your iPad wheels chopped off with unannounced in our parking lot would have saved you a tow fee and a lot of misplaced anger. While we're always happy to help out of towners, we declined to touch your vehicle because we're a small town shop that services mostly traditional vehicles. As for us being dinosaurs, we need to get with the times. This dinosaur shop is currently fully booked 3 weeks out with vehicles we can actually equip to repair safely. We don't play guessing games. And certainly don't risk electrocuting other technicians on high voltage battery systems just to appease a tourist. Best of luck getting your appointment at the closest service station, which appears to be over 100 miles from here. I hear the coffee in the waiting room is fantastic. Oh yes,
That is the sort of response that you would do.
I'd spend hours on that, wouldn't I? I'll spend hours on that. That's great,
isn't it?
I want to go to his garage. Get a good job.
It's brilliant.
Oh, that's amazing. Now then, talking of unfairness, then
Okay.
I've got it. People who let's try and battle people who pay road tax and people who don't. Since we're not going to do electric cars,
Okay.
bicycles. Should cyclists on UK roads have a mandatory registration scheme similar to that you'd find with cars and their number plates?
That's going to get people annoyed. Yep.
Is it right that cyclists should ride free abreast? We love cyclists. Oh, what are you going to do? On a Sunday. Thinking they're in the Tour de France.
Yeah.
You're not Team Sky. No, that's an opinion.
No,
the word
yeah.
there. Yeah.
No, you're not allowed an opinion. No.
Potholes.
Pothole reported ahead.
This is why you mustn't go through puddles.
Yeah.
Because
you can't see.
can't see what's in the puddle.
Ooh.
Everyone hits potholes.
Yeah,
Nobody
no,
likes a
that's
pothole.
that's not divisive.
No. Right. Question is, now, when are you back?
May. Yeah. Yeah. What?
That's not long.
No, I'm back in May for Amelia.
Oh, she'll be past by then.
No, she won't. And then June.
When's her driving test?
May.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. She might prefer me.
She might do.
It's like welcome back Rebecca present, is it? Welcome back, you've been missed.
Yeah.
He's gonna be great. I sent her a message yesterday. Said, your light's not working. You drove past me. My light's missing.
Oh, did she drive in her little Fiat?
Yeah. I said, your light's not working.
And then I've got a few students starting in June.
Ooh. So is that the only one you're taking back on as Amelia?
Taking Amelia on in May.
Yeah.
But then I've got 3 new students that I'm taking on in June consistently.
Okay.
So I'm going to be doing 3.
Just going to build
/
one a day.
4 pupils.
One a day, or how many a day?
I'm going to see how it works out, but just 3 or 4 a week.
Nice.
Yeah, until the end of the year.
Won't pay the bills, but at least it's a start to.
It's just to keep the business costs covered.
Now, the most important question is, when are you going to buy a motorbike? You're missing it. I went to my motorbike yesterday.
Yeah, I don't.
Do you know what I was saying?
It.
I was
Actually,
right.
I leave the group chat.
No, don't.
I'm going to mute it.
No, okay. I went out yesterday with a couple of them.
Yeah.
And I was riding around that lovely sweeping road around Rutland Reservoir.
Yeah.
Dropped down into Stamford, up, pulled up, had a nice coffee at Two Flags.
It was very busy there, wasn't it?
Yeah, nice coffee at Two Flags. Sent you a photograph, didn't I? And I thought to myself...
They posted a load of photographs, actually.
Yeah, that's all. And I said to myself, oh, Rebecca would have loved this today. Lovely 15 degrees in February on the motorbike and the little Honda.
Do you think I'm being realistic if I bought one now? Just I had to sell my Honda, didn't I? I had to do that. Because that wouldn't have been a realistic bike to come back into.
No.
Do you think I could get back on by the end of summer?
So you're not going to appear on camera until May?
May, yeah. Might have a few things filmed before then, but...
We're going to go out and play with.
Yeah. You're going to have to...
Not by a bike. Not by a bike.
Yeah.
I should be telling you this. Do you know what I'm like with you? And you're the same with me. You know, you get car 2 to have an idea, and some little angel appears in the car. No, you mustn't do that. You've got to be practical. You know your year end's coming. Do your counts for your accountant. He'd be really cross with you. And you know, you must pay the government all those tax on time. Like that. And then he goes, no, go out biking. Go on.
Yeah.
So you going, oh, motorbike. What's the angel saying at the moment? What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? You've got a young baby.
But you know what? That's everyone's opinion, isn't it? I'm selfish if I go out on a bike.
Do you know what? Fuck off. Excuse my language.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
Yeah.
When does it stop?
Exactly.
Oh, don't.
I'm not going to go on roller coasters anymore.
Don't go on the roll. Don't go on a.
Don't go on an aeroplane.
Go on the motorbike. You think you were selfish and goes anything in case anything happens.
Yeah.
Honestly, when does it stop?
Yeah.
Don't cross the road. Nanny state nonsense. Do what you want, when you want, with whoever you want.
And it makes you
whenever you want.
Anyway.
Of course it does.
Like, if I'm just stuck at home, I'm going to be awful.
Oh, you'll be awful.
I'd be awful.
You're going to be awful. You're awful. You're going to be like, you're in
I'm
brain
awful
dead.
now, and I've been off for 2
I need
weeks.
to come round to sort of just to take the piss out of you, so you can.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you know it's the worst thing? You probably obviously you've got another baby before we had another baby. Like anything to do with parents and baby rooms, ickle bickle bucking boxes and things. Seriously.
No, I can't.
My one's teething, your one teething, my one's teething,
No.
your one teething. Oh, mine's walking. No. Oh my God.
I'm not doing any.
Yeah.
I'm not doing any.
Yeah. I used to be a responsible adult, and now I'm talking about frigging.
Oh.
That was fun. Yeah. Don't come brain dead. I think I'm on a mission now to keep you sane until May.
Oh no, I haven't got anything like that booked in. You know I'm not like that.
No, good for that.
Yeah. No way. Not catching me that.
Go sing nursery rhymes in the library.
Oh. No.
I went on once those things. I said, I can't. I have to leave. I have to leave this. I can't. I'm sitting in a circle.
Yeah. And you have to pay for the privilege most of the time as well.
Fuck, my testicles are just shriveling up and evaporating. Oh God, I'm being emancipated here by this group.
What time are you teaching?
Oh, I don't know. Should get you out. What is time? I don't know what the time is.
1:30.
Oh! I'll have a coffee at your house.
Okay. You put them in there. So.
Okay, that's my equipment. I don't know why I did that. They clearly weren't on my head. I don't know what I was scrabbling for.
I knew what you meant.
They've got the know-how. I drive school of motoring. Let's go right now. It's Richard and Rebecca's Roadside Rambles.